Greatest BTS song ever created on this planet of Earth. I don't want to hear it anymore. I'm done reacting to BTS. Greatest BTS song ever. The reacting here to the BTS Mic Drop Steve Aoki remix official music video. People have been saying, yo, you have to react to this. I haven't been disappointed in anything BTS has done. So, am I a fan? Am I a BTS army guy? I don't know yet. Still just watching. So, let's see what's going on. Boom. I like music. So, let's see what they do here. Let's go. Alright, what's on this? Okay. Alright. Oh, that's Steve Aoki. Okay, okay. I was saying, when did they get long hair? Why so serious though? Hold on. What the fuck is it? Thank you. Oh yeah. Alright. Now we're talking. Hey. Alright. Alright. Okay.
야 누가 내 수저 더럽대 I don't care 마이크 잡은 금 수저 여러 배 버럭해 잠못 익은 것들 새끼 여러 개 거두벌 씹어 죽겠다 에이 저녁에 Right that's now
Woo! This is hype! Yo, sorry. Bro, this is hype! Who these boys? Bruh, who are these people right now? Nah, they ain't Korean. Nah. Nah. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I'm going back. Hey!
야 누가 내 수저 더럽대 I don't care 마이크 잡은 금 수저 여러 배 버럭해 잠못 익은 것들 새끼 여러 개 거두벌 씹어 죽겠다 에이 저녁에 Right that's now 핵심 섭외 els니 매진 많지 않지 이 클래스 같이 많이 동향이 막진 반칙 마이크 번진 black 전진 망할 것 같았겠지만 I'm fine sorry 미안해 billboard 미안해 worldwide 아들이 너무 잘 나가서 미안해 엄마 대신해줘
Yo, the man said, yo, I'm sorry, mom, your son is killing it. My apologies. I'm kicking ass and taking names. People, these homies are hype. Their fried chicken is your Korean fried chicken. Dope. So clearly they have some connection to black people. Clearly. Wow. I don't know what to say. Can I even finish this video?
우리 콘서트 절대 없어 hold on I do it 너 말 없는 라다 do it 후배가 아프다는 고소해 소리
Yo, these homies, they are stunting on people. Like, this is not even a humble brag. Like, yo, we never have an empty seat in our concerts. Like, you know, if you have a problem, you're mad. Sue me. Nah, they fed up. They fed up, bruh. Fed up. Think about that.
this ain't that close. You know how I feel? Can't go. How many hours do we fly? I keep on dreaming on the cloud. Down on the mountain, down on the vibe. Every day we vibing, mic drop, bam. Did you see my bag?
Did you see my bag? Did you think I'm bad? What you think I did? Are you there? Are you there? Yeah. No. Fam, this is probably my favorite BTS song. I don't have a favorite BTS song. This song is like, listen, I got these facts for y'all. Okay? I got these facts. You're gonna hear these facts. These like, why you hating on me? I got all these things. You can't deny my greatness. That's basically what they're saying. Yo. Puss no, the money hype.
Somebody stop me. I'm gonna pop off. Too busy, you know my body ain't there.
Oh. Straight up, bro. Haters gonna hate. This. Oh, yeah. Yes, 1 gazillion times. The greatest BTS song ever created. I don't want to hear anything. That was the greatest BTS song ever created on this planet of Earth. I don't want to hear anymore. I'm done reacting to BTS. Listen, that's it. I don't need to say anymore. Mic drop BTS Steve Aoki remix. Bro, they went in. The dancing moves were on point. These homies were swagging it up. Beer sauce. Them just, yo. People, me tell you something. Them so sick. They're so, like, dog. Whoo. It's the baby, it's for the selfies and the telethick. Puss not. Yo, I'm out. I'm done. No more.